Tablets Coating BV Ghoul, PhD Government College of Pharmacy, Amravati 444 604, MS. 1. What is tablet coating? Tablet coating is the application of coating material to the exterior of a tablet with the intention of conferring benefits over the uncoated variety. Tablet coating is the application of a coating composition to a moving bed of tablets with the concurrent use of heated air to facilitate evaporation of the solvent. As per IP, tablets are coated with mixture of various substances such as resins, gums, inactive and insoluble fillers, sugars, waxes, etc. 2 objectives of tablet coating. Tablet coating is for one or more of the following objectives. 1. To mask the color, odor and / or taste of the drug. 2. To provide physical and chemical protection to the drug. 3. To control the release of the drug from the tablet. 4. To protect drug from the gastric environment of the stomach with an acid-resistant enteric coating. 5. To avoid chemical incompatibility or to provide sequential drug release. 6. To improve the pharmaceutical elegance by use of special colors and contrasting printing. 3. Tablet coating and tablet properties in coating process. The tablets roll forward / cascade in a coating pan, therefore, tablets must be resistant to abrasion and chipping, i.e., to tolerate intense attrition of tablet and wall of equipment. Tablets in coating pan may become covered with tacky polymeric films. The ideal tablet shape for coating is a sphere, which allows tablets to roll freely in the coating pan, with minimal tablet-to-tablet contact. For the coating to adhere to the tablet, the coating composition must wet the tablet surface. For tablet coating equipment Standard coating pan 2. Perforated coating pan immersion sword system Accelcoater system immersion tube system High coater system Pellegrini pan system Tabletcoater 3. Fluidized bed, air suspension, coater 5 tablet coating equipment Standard coating pan. It consists of a metal pan, 8 to 60 inches in diameter, and is rotated on its horizontal axis by a motor. Heated air is directed into the pan and onto the tablet bed surface, and is exhausted by means of ducts positioned through the front of the pan. Coating solutions are applied to the tablets by spraying the material onto the rotating tablet bed. Fig. Standard coating pan 6 tablet coating equipment immersion tube system. A tube is immersed into the tablet bed. The tube delivers the heated air, and a spray nozzle is built in the tip of the tube. During this operation, the coating solution is applied simultaneously with the heated air from the immersed tube. The drying air flows upward through the tablet bed and is exhausted by a conventional duct. Fig. Immersion tube system 7 tablet coating equipment glass immersion sword system. Drying air is introduced through a perforated metal sword device that is immersed in the tablet bed. The drying air flows upward from the sword through the tablet bed. Coating solution is applied by an atomized spray system directed to the surface of the rotating tablet bed. Pellegrini pan system. It has a baffle pan and a diffuser that distributes the drying air uniformly over the tablet bed surface. 8 tablet coating equipment perforated pan systems. In the Accelcoater and High coater systems, drying air is directed into the drum, is passed through the tablet bed, and is exhausted through perforations in the drum. Tabletcoater introduces drying air through hollow perforated ribs located on the inside periphery of the drum. As the coating pan rotates, the ribs dip into the tablet bed, and drying air passes up through and fluidizes the tablet bed. Exhaust is from the back of the pan. Fig. Accelcoater pan. Fig. High coater system. Note: these systems are fully automated with efficient drying systems for both sugar coating 9 and film coating processes. Tablet coating equipment fluidized bed system. Fluidization of the tablet mass is achieved in a columnar chamber by the upward flow of drying air. The movement of the tablets is upward through the center of the chamber. They then fall towards the chamber wall and re-enter the airstream at the bottom of the chamber. Coating solutions are continuously applied from a spray nozzle located at the bottom of the chamber or are sprayed onto the top of the cascading tablet bed by nozzles located in the upper region of the chamber. 10 Sugar coating yields elegant and highly glossed tablets. It can increase the tablet weight by 50–100%. Basic sugar coating process involves the following steps: 1. Sealing. 2. Subcoating. 3. Syruping, smoothing. 4. Finishing. 5. Polishing. Note: since sugar coating tends to be long and vigorous, the cores should be resistant to breakage, chipping, and abrasion. 11. Seal coating. Why seal coating is done. Need of the seal coating: to prevent the moisture penetration into the tablet core. It's needed in the pan ladling processes, in which localized overwetting of a portion of the tablet bed occurs. Without a seal coat, the overwetted tablets would absorb excess moisture, leading to tablet instability. Examples of sealants: 1. Shellac, however, it polymerizes upon time, causing increased dissolution time. 2. Zane, alcohol-soluble protein derivative from corn, note, doesn't polymerize on aging. 12. Subcoating. Why subcoating is necessary: to round the edges and build up the tablet size. Steps of the subcoating: alternatively applying a sticky binder solution to the tablets, followed by dusting with subcoating powders and then drying. Subcoating is also done by the spraying method. In both methods the drying rate is very critical. Subcoating solutions: gelatin, acacia etc. in syrup and water. Subcoating powders: kaolin, dextrin, acacia, starch, talc etc. 13. Syrup, smoothing / color, coating. What is the need of syruping? To cover and fill in the imperfections in the tablet surface caused by the subcoating step, and to impart the desired color to the tablet. Glossing syrup. The first syrup coats usually contain some suspended powders, called glossing syrups. Dilute colorants can be added to this syrup to facilitate uniform coloring. In general, no color is added until the tablets are quite smooth. Coloring syrup. In the second step, syrup solutions containing the dye are applied until the final size and color are achieved. 14. Polishing and finishing, aimed to obtain the desired luster. The tablets can be polished in clean standard coating pans, or canvas-lined polishing pans, by carefully applying powdered wax, beeswax or carnauba, or warm solutions of these waxes in naphtha or other suitable volatile solvents. Care must be exercised to distribute the wax evenly to avoid wax spots on some tablets. Application of warm air can facilitate distribution. 15. Sugar coating ingredients. 16. What is film coating? Deposition of a thin film of polymer surrounding the tablet core. The polymer is solubilized in the solvent. If needed, the plasticizers and pigments are added. Sprayed onto a tablet bed and then drying process is carried out, giving thin deposition of coating material around each tablet. Advantages of film coating: 1. Gives a tablet with less weight and small size. 2. Thin film formation. 3. In film coating, engravings are possible on tablet surface which are not possible in sugar coating. 4. Better mechanical strength. 5. Low cost. 17. Film coating materials. Physical deposition / continuous film of the materials on tablet surface. 4. For example, sugar, shellac, wax coatings, etc. Different types of coating materials are synthetic polymers, solvents, plasticizer, colorants, opacant extenders, miscellaneous coating solution components. 18. Ideal characteristics of film coating material. 1. Solubility in the solvent of choice. 2. Solubility required for intended use, for example, free water solubility, slow water solubility, pH-dependent solubility, enteric coating. 3. Essentially produces elegant-looking product. 4. Stability in the presence of heat, light, moisture, air, and the substrate being coated, and no change in properties with aging. 5. Essentially no color, odor or taste. 6. Compatibility with common coating solution additives. 7. Non-toxic and inert. 8. Resistance to cracking and should act as barrier. 9. No bridging or filling of the debased tablet surfaces by the film former. 10. Ease of printing procedure on high-speed equipment. 19 Film formers, non-enteric materials, HPMC, USP. It is ideal coater and used as glossing solutions. It has tendency to bridge or fill the debased tablet surfaces. HPMC plus plasticizers / other polymers equals eliminate bridge or filling problems. MHEC, same properties as that of HPMC but not frequently used due to its solubility in fewer solvents. EC, NF, various viscosity grades are available. It's water and GI fluid insoluble, soluble in organic solvents, and so it's added along with water-soluble additives like HPMC, providing sustained release. HPC, it's soluble in water, GI fluid and polar solvents below 40 C and insoluble above 45 C. Povidone, USP, mostly povidone, K30, is used as binder and a tablet coater, and forms clear, glossy, and hard film. NUCMC, USP, dispersed in water, insoluble in organic solvents, produces brittle films but adheres to the tablets. PEGs, hard, smooth and tasteless coats, and acrylate polymers, UDRAGIT, delayed action films like EC. 20 Film formers, enteric materials, reasons for enteric coating, to protect acid-labil drugs. To prevent gastric distress or nausea due to irritation from a drug, for example sodium salicylate. To deliver drugs intended for local action in the intestine. To deliver drugs that are absorbed in the small intestine. To provide a delayed release component. Ideal properties of enteric coating materials: gastric fluid resistant, permeable to the intestine, compatibility and stability, formation of continuous film. 21 Film formers, enteric materials, CAP, widely used in industry, however, dissolve above pH 6, and thus delays absorption. Latest aqueous enteric coating of CAP is available as aquateric, composed of solid or semi-solid polymer spheres of CAP, size up to 3 microns, acrylate polymers, UDRAGIT L and UDRAGIT S resins, soluble in intestinal fluid and organic solvents, films resistant to gastric fluid. HPMC phthalate, HPMC P50, 55 and 55S dissolve at pH 5.5, more stable due to absence of labilacetyl groups, giving higher bioavailability to some drugs. PVA phthalate, similar to HP55. 22 Solvents functions to dissolve or disperse the polymers and other additives to the substrate surface. Some important considerations for an ideal solvent system: 1. Should dissolve or disperse the polymer system. 2. Should easily disperse other coating solution components. 3. Should not result in extremely viscous solution system, 300 CPS. 4. Should have no color, taste, odor, inexpensive, non-toxic, inert, and non-flammable. 5. Should have rapid drying rate. Examples: water, ethanol, methanol, isopropanol, chloroform, acetone, methylethylketone, and methylene chloride. 23 Plasticizers, a substance known to produce or promote plasticity and flexibility and to reduce brittleness of the films. Choice of the plasticizer material depends upon the ability of plasticizer material to solvate the polymer, as well as they impart flexibility by relieving the molecular rigidity. Viscosity of the plasticizer and its influence on the final coating solution, its effect on film permeability, tackiness, flexibility, solubility, and taste, and its toxicity, compatibility with other coating solution components, and stability of the film and final coated product. 24 Plasticizers. Recommended level of plasticizer, 1 to 50% by weight of the film former. Examples: castor oil, propylene glycol, glycerin, low molecular weight PEGs, 200 and 400 series, and surfactants, for example, polysorbates, tweens, sorbitan esters, spans, and organic acid esters. Water-soluble plasticizers, PEGs, propylene glycol. Organic soluble plasticizers, castor oil and spans. 25 Colorants may be soluble in the solvent system or suspended as insoluble powders. Provides distinctive and elegant color. Provides elegance to a dosage form. Use the fine powdered colorants, 10 microns, to achieve proper distribution of suspended colorants in the coating solutions. Most of the colorants are synthetic dyes or lakes of dyes approved by the FD&C and D&C. 26 colorants lakes, derived from dyes by precipitating with carriers, for example, alumina or talc. Lakes contains 10 to 30% of the pure dye content. For very light shade, concentration less than or equal to 0.01%. For dark shade, concentration, 2.0%. Sometimes natural colorants, anthocyanins, caramel, carotenoids, chlorophyll, indigo, flavins, turmeric, and carmic acid, are used. Various concentrates promoted as achieving less lot-to-lot color variation. Opalex opacant color concentrate for sugar coating. Opaspray opaque color concentrate for film coating. Apadri complete film coating concentrate. 27 opacant extenders fine inorganic powders used in the coating solution formulation to provide more pastel colors and increase film coverage. Provides a white coating or mask the color of the tablet core. Examples: titanium dioxide is mostly used. Silicates, talc, aluminium silicate, carbonates, MgCO3, sulfates, CaSO4, oxides, Mg.O2, hydroxides, AlOH2. 28 tablet coating film defects: sticking and picking, roughness, orange peel effects, bridging and filling, blistering, hazing, /dull film color variation, cracking. 29 sticking and picking, overwetting or excessive film tackiness causes tablets to stick each other or to the coating pan. On drying at the point of contact, a piece of film may remain adhere to pan or to another tablet, giving a picked appearance to the tablet surface and resulting in a small exposed area of the core. Remedies: reduction in liquid application rate. Increase in drying air temperature and air volume. 30 roughness: a rough or gritty surface is a defect often observed when the coating is applied by a spray. Some of the droplets may dry too rapidly before reaching the tablet bed and deposits on tablet surface. Caused due to more pigment concentration and polymer concentration in the coating solution. Remedies: moving the spray nozzle closer to the tablet bed. Reducing the degree of atomization can decrease the roughness due to spray drying. 31 orange peel effect: inadequate spreading of the coating solution before drying causes a bumpy or orange peel effects on the coating. Spreading is impaired by rapid rate of drying or by high solution viscosity. Remedies: thinning of coating solution with additional solvents may correct this problem. Adjustment of speed of coating pan. 32 bridging and filling. Bridging: during drying, the film may shrink and pull away from the sharp corners of bisect, resulting in a bridging of the surface depression. Monogram or bisect is completely obscured. Remedies: increase in plasticizer content or changing the plasticizer. Filling, caused by applying too much coating solution resulting in thick film that fills and narrows the monogram or bisect. Remedies: careful monitoring of the fluid application rate. Thorough mixing of the tablets in the pan prevent filling. 33 blistering: the film becomes detached from the tablet core forming a blister. Caused due to entrapment of gases or vapor in or under the film due to rapid evaporation of the solvent from the coating solution adhered to the core. Remedies: use mild drying conditions. 34 hazing / dull film, also called as bloom. Due to high processing temperature. Dulling is evident when organic solvent solutions of cellulosic polymers are applied at high temperatures. Exposing coated tablets at high humidity conditions. Remedies: use controlled temperature and humidity conditions. 35 color variation caused by processing conditions of tablet coating such as improper mixing, uneven spray pattern and insufficient coating. The migration of soluble dyes, plasticizers, and other additives during drying may give the coating a mottled or spotted appearance. Remedies: use of lake dyes eliminates dye migration. Recoating with different plasticizers and additives. 36 cracking occurs if internal stresses in the film exceed the tensile strength of the film. Remedies: increase the tensile strength of the film using the higher molecular weight polymers or polymer blends. Decrease the internal stresses by adjusting the plasticizer type and concentration. Decrease the internal stresses by adjusting the pigment type and concentration. 37.